Sa wakas, sinuli talaga. Hindi, thank you to the Philippine Movie Press Club. Maraming salamat talaga. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina, kaya ako talaga nagpunta. Kasi bihira ito bihira ko manalo. Laging nominated, so thank you talaga. And, you know, this is a good affirmation for all the hard work and love I put into my craft. So, salamat. But you know, in any creation, I cannot only do it alone as an actor. I always collaborate, and it's always a teamwork. So with this recognition, I would like to share it with ABS-CBN. Of course, Tita Cory, Sir Carlo, Sir Mark, everyone. To my Dreamscape family, with loving thoughts to Sir Deo Adrinal. I'm sure you're smiling up there. Our founder of Dreamscape. And to my B61 management, headed by Mr. B-Boy Arboleda, Eileen, team, everybody in the group. Mr. Edgar Estrella, thank you for all your love and support, always. And the last but not the least, of course, to my Batang Quiapo and CCM Production family. It's headed by Coco Martin, who continuously show us na walang pinagtatagumpayan pag hindi pinaghihirapan, pinagpapasensyahan at pinagtatrabahuhan. Lagi yun. For your generosity, sa sipag mo, sobrang saludo kami. Sa sipag mo, sa lahat ng tulong mo na binibigay. Sa lahat ng tao at lalong-lalo na sa mga senior actors. Salamat, Mr. Coco Martin. And then, our other head, Solly, Ayla Garcia, Lea Calmerin, all the Journey, Louis J, and our directors, Malu Villa, Daniel Villaflor, Richard Somes, to all the staff and crew who works very hard. Maraming salamat. Sana wala na ako nakalimutan. Of course, my last. Lagi ito, pag nananalo ako, sa buhay at pag-ibig ko, alam mo malaking bahagi nito para sa iyo, anak. Kay Neo. And to God all be the glory. Maraming salamat po. God bless us, everyone.
Thank you. Sir Award. We love you and congratulations.